How to deactivate Axe account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to deactivate your Axe account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Axe app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. And once you tap on it, a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, simply tap on Settings and Privacy. And here, once you are inside the Settings section, simply tap on the option labeled as Your Account. And now here, inside this section, at the bottom, you can see the option labeled as Deactivate Account. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you see the interface like this, at the bottom, you can see the option labeled as Deactivate. So simply tap on it. And here, once you tap on it, you need to verify yourself by putting your password. And once you do it, you can simply tap on Deactivate. And after that, your account will be deactivated. But remember that your account won't be permanently deleted right away because X will keep your data for 30 days in case you change your mind and want to reactivate it by logging in again. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.